Hey boys and girls, happy Wednesday. This week, or today I should say, we are going to continue with reading about author's point of view and the importance of voting. I'm going to go through quickly just to refresh your memory of all of our skills of the week. And then I'm just going to go and show you the story that we are reading today. And you have a lot to do today, so let's get started. All right, remember we are reading an expository text. We are continuing with author's point of view, of our vocabulary of the week, and prefixes. We are going to continue on with that all week. Remember our vocabulary of the week? Go ahead and repeat after me. Announced, candidates, convince, decisions, elect, estimate, government, independent. Alrighty, and we also remember an expository text is a text that gives facts and information about a topic. In this case, we are getting facts and information about the topic of voting and the importance of voting. As you read, you'll see headings, you'll see photographs, you might see a diagram on all those different text features. And each heading tells us what the part right under it is about. Alrighty, and then moving on, we are focusing on author's point of view. Remember, boys and girls, the author has an opinion just like we do about things. So as we're reading, we want to be able to know what is the author's point of view about the topic of voting by looking for details and just things from the text that shows, maybe words or phrases from the text that show us and let us know what the author believes. Alrighty, and we're continuing with prefixes. A prefix is added to the beginning of the main word and completely changes the word. For example, re means again, un means not, pre means before, this means not or the opposite of, d means opposite, and miss means wrongly. So we're focusing on those prefixes as you will see some of those words in your text today. Most importantly, text evidence. Today you are going to be using a lot of text evidence in the story as you are reading. Make sure you're using the proper sentence starters. Make sure you're going back into the text and finding those answers. Today might be challenging for some of you, but it is very important that I get third grade work from you all the time, especially when you're doing text evidence. Yesterday, we were doing the author's point of view on every vote counts. We came up with the author thinks it's sad that only 6 out of 10 Americans vote. Kids voting, they're trying to convince others to vote. Many of you said that. And a lot of you wanted me to know that the author thinks voting is very important. That was correct. We wanted your author's point of view to know that the author believes that voting is very important. Alrighty, and today you're going to log on to McGraw-Hill and you're going to first complete vocabulary practice. After reviewing and completing the vocabulary practice, you're going to log on to Schoology and complete vocabulary fill in the blank. Then you're going to read vote. As you are reading, remember you're going to be using text evidence to search for your answers on vote questions, and then you'll take our poll of the day. So what I want to do is quickly, boys and girls, show you our story. Today, there are 15 questions on Schoology that you are going to be answering based on this story. It is a longer story, but it also has a lot of dialogue from people. Each page, I have questions on Schoology that I want you to answer. Boys and girls, it is important that you answer using complete sentences. If the question is technically a 3-part question, that question is worth 3 points. So make sure you answer all 3 parts of the question. This will show me or let me know, do you really understand how to determine author's point of view? And are you understanding how to cite the evidence that is listed in the text by giving me those specific pieces? So you will read the whole entire story of vote. I'm just going through it for you so you can see. And then when you are finished, you will log on to your Schoology, go to your ELA, go to your Wednesday, and you're going to reread it and kind of do it at the same time. So if I were you, I would read it first once. Okay, sorry, I had to pause my video because somebody walked in. But anyways, okay, so what I would do is I would read vote. Just the first time, read it and enjoy it, understand it, really kind of just wrap your mind around what the story's about. Then I would keep it up on McGraw-Hill and I would come right over here to vote questions. As you are answering vote questions, I would go back and forth from this page to the book. So you're kind of going to be going from tab to tab and helping answer these questions based on what it says on certain page numbers. Okay, boys and girls? So take your time. It is not a race. I do not want you to just hurry up and give me sloppy work. I really want you to show me complete sentences, use punctuation, and give me text evidence. Try your best. Take your time. I'm looking forward to seeing your answers. Have a lovely Wednesday, and I will see you at our morning meeting if I have not already saw you.